We're making strawberries for America's birthday. Is the 4th of July considered America's birthday? So if we declared independence on the 4th of July, but didn't the king not sign it though for like till months later?
I don't think he didn't sign it at all.
Okay, well, so it's just the day that they declared it, but the king didn't even see it. John Hancock signed it, okay? On the Mayflower, I would assume. And it took a long time. It did. It went on the Mayflower. The Declaration of Independence, they probably put it on a Royal Caribbean ship and sent it back to England.
It was a new ship.
It was a new ship. It was the one with the slides. We need to wash these and then we need to dry them very well because I feel like that's the most important thing when making chocolate covered strawberries. What's funny though is that my family, they came from Italy, like very long after the whole 4th of July party went down. You know what I mean? Your family too. Your family came from Norway. Microwave your chocolate in 30-second intervals and just hope for the best, honestly. Just hope it doesn't burn. I've got some blue sugar. Ah! What I was trying to say is if you can't find the blue sand sugar that I have, what you could do is just take some white sugar in a Ziploc bag, add a couple drops of blue food coloring, and then shake it up really good. Or you could add it into the blender too. I noticed that actually works very well. I was actually really good at history in high school, believe it or not. And then I went to college and looked at numbers and Excel spreadsheets every day for 4 years, and just everything about US history got thrown out the window, if I'm being completely honest, okay? And dip. I really hope my 11th grade US history teacher is not watching this right now. She wrote me my letter of recommendation to get into college. Shout out Miss Cameron if you're watching. She was a lovely woman, but she would probably not be very proud of me right now because I cannot remember anything. I've literally only made 3 and I already want to quit. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Carl, you're supposed to say, well, that's too bad. Carl? I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too bad.
Oh! It's dripping. Why are they coming out so ugly? Rerouting here. Fork. In. Dip, dip, dip. Let it drip. Let it drip. That's my problem. There's too much chocolate on those bad boys. Hey, do you want to watch National Treasure?
I'm good.
Do you want to watch The Patriot?
Not tonight.
Do you want to watch it tomorrow night? This is taking way too long. This is taking longer than it actually took them to write the Declaration of Independence. Come on, drip, drip, drip. I tried to be like the pioneer woman, Martha Stewart, but I just don't have the time to do this right now. I think the drizzle looks more elegant anyway. You know what I'm saying? Oh, festive. Wow, so festive. I'm just going to my parents' house, so that'll do. That will do.